Meredith Garofalo. Meredith, these temperatures are no joke.
They're not. And you know, the one thing is you have to remember, any exposed skin, the colder it gets, the quicker you can get frostbite. And you may not even be thinking about it. So if you're somebody who likes to run and be outdoors, don't worry, Tiffany. It'll warm back up as we get into next week.
Good. I don't run outdoors. I stay inside. It's like, I don't run, period, but you know.
Yes. Well, anyone who we go outside in the next couple of days, just remember the wind chills are going to stay at or below zero. And this is going to last not just today, but for all week long. And then we have the snow chances as well. Now, you can see right now the snow mainly staying to our south, little bits of lake effect here, but we have a quick wave of energy that'll be coming through overnight. So let's see where our temps and wind chill is at. Cleveland, it's 13. Feels like 2 because of the wind. A little bit better the further inland we're going, but along the lakefront you can see Sandusky, it feels like we're right at 0, and Ashtabula just a degree below there. So here's the wind chill tracker as we go into your forecast overnight into Wednesday morning. I want to show you this because it's going to be very similar this morning to what we'll see tomorrow morning, and then as we go into Wednesday as well. This is 6 a.m. You can see the next couple of days, very similar pattern here. And we're going to have to watch this closely because if we do get into that 10, 15, 20 degree below again, we could be looking at seeing wind chill advisories issued, which would prompt us to issue a first alert weather day. But this cold air, again, you can see paired with that next amount of moisture coming in, that's going to kick up some snow showers as we're starting off your forecast for Tuesday. So here's 2 a.m. You can see the snow starting to come in. It's quick moving though. This isn't going to be a big storm maker, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches. Again, the 3 inches will probably be where we have a little bit of lake effect on the backside of this and mainly those snowbelt communities. But by 4 o'clock, it looks to clear out by the time you're commuting home. A little bit of lingering, again, lake effect you can see overnight into Wednesday morning. But I want to take you through the extended. This is 6 a.m. on Thursday. Another round of snow comes in. This continues to spread out across the area all day. And so by the end of this week, we could be picking up anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of snow from these 2 rounds combined. Here's 10 a.m. on Friday, still some lingering, still getting some of that lake effect, and then it continues even into Saturday, now looking to extend it a little bit later into Saturday. Things are still going to change. Sam will be in all night and she'll have the updated timing and details because as we know with these systems, a little bit changes, we can have a whole different forecast. But what we need to know is tonight, snow showers starting up early, they'll move quickly through, but the frigid air continues. 8 for the temperature, feels like we'll be below 0. And then for tomorrow, our daytime high will get up to 15. Morning snow, then the sun comes out the later part of the day, but don't let that fool you. It's still going to be bone-chilling weather. Let's get to the extended 7-day forecast because it doesn't improve much at all. And here's that chance, as I mentioned, for Thursday and Friday with that snow lingering into Saturday. But by the end of the weekend, I'm going to move out of the way because this is very important to show us that by Monday, we start to see temperatures go back above the freezing mark. And even looking ahead into next week, looks like we could finally be back into the 40s, which I'm sure Tiffany will feel like 60s for us across Northeast Ohio.